NDC journalist Kofi Gabs, any other people are clashing with, the acting Chief Justice, His Lordship Baffoe Bonnie, ever and someone, or can ye, ever Ataa Ayi a case, no to say there be. My way, ultimate Chief Justice, am I possible, undeserved it, yes, sir. A nipple don't be boom unlawfully, no. A better time, I will Ghana Hanam. Or what about clashing with him? A month will watch the wife and amame. Our comment section. I Penyah block media. Mess was any demo. Or be like if video, no other my subscribe button, so number click notification latest updates. Number to the wife and amame. Our comment section. Mess also baswa. No watching for so any be ashe. 18 my dear is see at the vetting of the acting Chief Justice. His Lordship Paul Baffoe Bonnie. Now vetting air question. Baffoe Bonnie adding same to you as na for how judges ACAD asem how we see every case on the case going on we say assume dem say enya asem bia what I say enya asem bia but na bia atemu a dia mani ba kro no just say we say oh na say asem dey we money no so we atemu dey man na think on deserve that kind of panel that kind of judgment but now His Lordship Baffoe Bonnie tiremu enema go into and send your mobi atemu any ade no no go to so no crown and emlant bremu no ni foot age no o ma will be 70 years Ataa Ayi 70 years solid hot one Emma Ataa Ayi I said that atemu about 2005 no twa 70 years Emma Ataa Ayi ana ni kiremu nyina ne se senko koma Ataa Ayi 30 years go hwe case na de beto na nimu no a na ka Ataa Ayi deserve about 30 years but senko ma Ataa Ayi 30 years ya anka Ataa Ayi be kwa ba beto no asase we so anwa na Ataa Ayi ba obefa no tirimuka no obedi ni bone enje o man 70 years say bia after the 70 years na Ataa Ayi mra no na ono Baffoe Bonnie he wa wuko.
In my youthful days I gave somebody 70 years. Ataa Ayi, I gave him 70 years. And what I told myself was that if Ataa Ayi was given 30 years and he comes back, my family will be the first family he will attack. So by the time he comes back after 70 years, I'll be dead and gone. So you see?
Hey! Animal farm. Animal farm judiciary. Hey! Animal farm judge, animal farm judiciary. What is it? Let's go, brano. Now, what we call say, o study judgment here, the man pani bia. Enya boni o ma di emuduro nti na the judgment no ma wo mu. Etwa ye twa ma wo mu no. Enya emuduro. E be ultimate tie eni pani because I remember o mo koye obi interview ewo in Sewon prison. Emma o mbusa no say e de ba de na e de ne ba e be pie mu ho no mo a ye twa mfia ma na o twa. O kirem say okof na komode no ono ma me opanyi na ewu. E na okofa obi 5 cedis. 5 cedis no. Okopiem e won Sewon a ye twa mfia ma na o twa.
Actually, fee, you see me binti. What is 5 cedis?
5 cedis. You na yam from so. A come and a man will be 5 cedis.
Say, my man, in one, we papa so one. You would be as for one. So I show my mother, so much to me. What I mean,
a child can't come at all. Minim said it here. It will be an aircon for a same bintra. Internal can't come at all. A bay.
Not just all had no year. Any chimwa. His Lordship Baffoe Bonnie Edeba ya. Not just say sometimes and your born a panel dear and your vessel at the atemu a man, no moment a year. How? O temwa for a seven or only the feelings and a judge. Only the feelings, don't no feeling by nya and yet I don't know what in the year, but or don't no feeling some of the mount. Just over times I'm here. No man, handy yes, master. But what's the who caught it, crash it, go handy yes, who could you what does it? That's all the amount. What is it? Let's have no him, that's all steady more year. A lipa baby go fiasia. Judges nibi. Anna, I'm all Muguna Manessa because Anka they don't deserve it. And no one Kofi the other fancy way now. Baffoe Bonnie edited Jana. Kofi Gabs, NDC TikTok, Kofi Gabs. I said, oh, I can't to other piano or on the Ghana, a ball or no. You know, with the Oma Demo, wabe clash with and someone his lordship edu children.
Justice Baffoe Bonnie, the President of the Republic of Ghana, John Dramani Mahama, has nominated you to occupy the third most powerful office in Ghana. That is the Chief Justice, head of the Judiciary. You and I know that wisdom is the application of knowledge. You were called to the bar in 1983 when I was just 2 years old. Today, as I sit here, I am 44. So you've been a lawyer for 42 years. You have rise through the ranks. And I believe you did it through you applying the knowledge you studied to deliver justice and not your emotions. But yesterday, or whichever day, you went for your nomination hearing. You were asked a question, and this was your answer. I sentenced Ataa Ayi. Ataa Ayi's case was a high-profile case in Ghana because I was a kid, but it was all over the news that he was one of the most notorious armed robbers in Ghana. Like that notorious Nigerian armed robber, like terrorizing the whole of Ghana. So it was a high-profile case. And you, as a judge, you didn't become a judge because of your emotions. You became a judge because of what you have studied, knowledge. And when it was time for you to apply that knowledge, this was the answer you gave. You said, I sentenced Ataa Ayi to 70 years in prison because I feared he would attack me and my family upon his release if he was given 30 years. And so by the time he comes back after 70 years, I'm dead and gone. You didn't apply the knowledge you studied. This is not wisdom. This is emotions. So Your Excellency John Dramani Mahama, whoever is lobbying for you, whoever is lobbying for Justice Baffoe Bonnie to become Chief Justice, Your Excellency, they've given you the wrong choice. I think you have to sit down and think deeper and choose somebody else. Because per this statement by Justice Baffoe Bonnie, he doesn't serve the interest of the nation. When he will not serve the interest of the nation, but his emotions, when he occupies the third most powerful office in the land, Chief Justice. He said he sentenced Ataa Ayi to 70 years. Not because of the law, but because he feared. This is a man, as a judge, he is protected by government, by the law. He has police protection. So for him to say he feared for his life and that of his family, when he passed judgment on a criminal, the criminal might come back and hurt him, means he doesn't even believe in the security system in Ghana. Even though it is the nation that pays him. So when this man becomes Chief Justice, he's not going to serve the interest of the nation. He's going to serve his emotions based on his own words. Your Excellency John Dramani Mahama, you are not perfect. You don't always get it right. Just like you sacked Victoria Hammer in your first term as President of Ghana, when she said, I want to get $1 million. You didn't know she was going to say that. If you knew, you wouldn't have given her the deputy ministerial position then. Same way this man has exposed himself. He will not serve the interest of the nation. Choose somebody who will apply knowledge to deliver justice, to favor Ghana, and not somebody that will deliver a verdict because of his emotions. 4-letter words, fear. He's a coward. He doesn't deserve to be Chief Justice. Me, I clean when I go to work. I apply the knowledge I have to clean the place. That's why that's why I still have a job. And my job doesn't have any political interference. When you can't apply the knowledge you studied in school, you rely on political favors. No wonder Chairman Wuntumi is the chairman of the biggest opposition party's stronghold Ashanti region. I've been in Yejuma. Cheers to me. I know how to apply knowledge. And that's why my name is Mr. Happiness.
Aye, ene Ataa Ayi obi anim Ataa Ayi kromfo nti no defend it. Papa nse na koma mu di asem no ye no. Na also o Ataa Ayi 30 years. Na nso no ya brante o so de Ataa Ayi 30 years ya. Ansha na Ataa Ayi akwa ba kuno ne na busuafo. Nti o Ataa Ayi 70 se ba Ataa Ayi mra no no de no wawu nti on fa ho. Enu nti wani age defend it. Chief Justice Mampeni Jomama Kuyini no. Ataa Ayi asem na odi ye. Na nya Ataa Ayi nko ho. Ne nipa bi ka ho. Young man no wesi so no e mechanic. Fitani anu aware foforo awo ketewa. Won ne hwe ne maame ne mma ne na busua. Ye chi ni kotumu papa we hwe nyamia no jeli no 30 years. Eno de ma asa branti ame na okana asemi. Afia o, senso afia etwa mu afemai. Ena nhwemu koda ese papa no kra no onim ho hwe. Young man wo kotwam 20 years e wo prison ansa na ye yi naba. Na busua ni bibia e basa. Enti ene enye wo Ataa Ayi into defend Chief Justice no. Na se woda Ghana mam ayi said ye bu Ataa nyina no adwini a. Asantini ba mu a bisu brebre. Na so ko pie do ma hene court sasantini na do ma hene ni tiwo edi asem a. Na be hu say yes. Say to dokuna ye jimako.
In my youthful days, I gave somebody 70 years. Ataa Ayi, I gave him 70 years. And what I told myself was that if Ataa Ayi was given 30 years and he comes back, my family will be the first family he will attack. So by the time he comes back after 70 years, I'll be dead and gone.
Yes! Ghana for Mumianka any partners any day. Eya boa bone. Yes, any partners any boa bone. Ghana for mese me ma Ataa Ayi me mani due. Ai, me mani due ni amani hunu. Man ya on person Ataa Ayi be free prison beba. Esuro ntino wasi Ataa Ayi check command 30 years. Na because say osuro ntino, o man 70 years. Ghana for munim say sa man na obe Chief Justice no. Ono ani so yire ana ye prison service for Penyah. Ghana for mo ya aware say man no a wo ye Chief Justice no. Ono ani yire enso na ye e prison for nyina e Penyah. Ghana for any Ataa Ayi me ma udue ni amane hunu. Se man ya one person be free prison beba. Na ne yire so be prison service for e Penyah di Ataa Ayi uti ate man uti ate Ghana for mese mum yanka bi ma Ataa Ayi wate na Ataa Ayi asem no e mobo e wo mso wadi bone na mum yan hwe se e namra kwa so a e fiedodo na yede ma no se e namra kwa so a Ghana for se namra kwa so dia Ghana for sansamfu we de mamenyere mum yan so because enne obi so ka se osuro anaso obi so ni bi konya asem na ade a che man 6 months obi ka che se osuro di pa no etu man 15 billion years Ghana for mo be yen den eti we ye asem kese a che se asoman ye dwendwen ho na obi be wo operate a operate within emra no ma wonfa wono ne personal interest anasa ade a obeya amana che the party for energy anasa be ma ne party for any agentinum mamo ma wanyere wonfa ne pe ense o man no Ghana for se mo ne ya ade amesa se mo de mo sa yere back maso yes for me say back maso kese man nyam ya mu wi bia prasa na no say me so yere aforo me na masa atrase se a Baffoe Bonnie abe Chief Justice and yere so abe prison service Penyah Ghana for 2028 still possible. Yes, still possible Ghana for na mo share
Ba obeba be attack me ne mabusuafo enti na de o hwe se obesua mrano yesua ne saying, are you learning the law to suit yourself? Are you learning the law? Are you pursuing law to protect yourself and your family, or you are learning the law to dispense justice to society? To be catch me say, because I was scared for my life and that of my family, I needed to give Ataa Ayi 70 years instead of 30 years. What do you mean? Then it means that you didn't look at the law. You looked at yourself. You looked at your interests. You protected your family. Meanwhile, there are other people living in the society whom Ataa Ayi was unleashing terror and mayhem on. When he comes out, wouldn't he come and perpetrate same? What you need to do, if he deserves 5 years, give him 5 years. But make sure that out of the 5 years, you send resource people to the prison to go and educate them. Into omubefi prison, no, so ya amroba no koya, obeba no ababeye motivational speaker. This is where we have to move the nation. Not because the person deserves 10 years, but I have to give him 20 years. Because after 20 years, by the time he come, me and my family, we are dead and gone. Are other Ghanaians not around? Would he not visit the same trouble on other Ghanaians? Are you using the law to protect yourself and your family, or you are using the law to dispense justice to Ghanaians? And so now I say, "Oh, champagne for mo dim rechi mo suam rakom ranim school." I friend we promoting mutu and ya kola and your first year law students and make his statement to you, Supreme Court judge who is being elevated to the status of Chief Justice, and you come and sit in this on television, national television, and tell us, say, I had to sentence him 70 years because by the 70 years, me and my family are no more. Today he's out. You and your family are alive, and yet they are open. They rather pen a bum. So sometimes you've got to take your time.
Okay.
Do justice to the people, not based on your interest. For interest to change, you are not learning the law to protect yourself or to suit yourself. You are learning the law to dispense justice to society so that society can thrive and prosper. So that to the only need that son obetimi de nira asemu because see as a bibi ba my dream be say hey judge ya me kon anima on ultimi mo be 70 years instead of 30 years then the church say obema me justice then it means I need to put something nice in an envelope to go and give him mo yes apena mo simra na anima ase mo bu emra no kumfo. It is not cool, so we need to do better.
Okay, we need to do.
Yes, Ghana for Messi Obi Musa new Chief Justice, ma'am say, a dear deal, and now said, dear didn't know so, and say, Ataa Ayi, Echo prison bar, obeying Bonnie, Ghana for, and dear didn't know deal Ben and a woman in time, Ghana for, Musa questions you, now mine answer no kind, a more do papa. A more do papa, so one personal interest in no. Yes, I just want the mobile, what two more than 100% at the many panel, because also a dear dinner one in time, Ghana for Mummy and your dinner home. Now, as some of my okay, a new Chief Justice Baffoe Bonnie, okay, a more do papa. Now, Miss Mim, majority for you will be a moderate Ghana home, as a moderate democracy home, as a moderate any papa who dear one. Message mine, not a comubusan question, because as some kind, a more do papa. Say obi esuro wunti obi sure say later on ubetima be take revenge ntino wono na ehwe wan ma yes a wo beto asase so yewura Baffoe Bonnie what say nimdie nko ana jere adwen so nko yes nimdie nko ana adwen nko because asema wo kan die emu odu papa a Ghana for che yatase ye dey ye dwendwen hom die nti a yewura Baffoe Bonnie wo so say Ataa Ayi ekọ beto no a obedi ni bone ana obedi na wu enu nti 30 years a che de man no or here ni 70 years Ghana for mesemo me anwedwen ho because me hwe yewura Baffoe Bonnie ya san what be NPP for yes san what be NPP for yes what be NPP for no obenwo mu yes ya se be ya NPP for no enko me meto no asase so se be ya NPP for ka so be take revenge by atom be ba no na yewura Baffoe Bonnie wa dey wo frati asefo ata asase so ediga for de yewura Baffoe Bonnie aka no emu odu etimu me yanwendwen hu ye se ye pega na ye ase ye pese democracy ko anim nkwade a yewura Baffoe Bonnie asem no mamo me yemfa ne tra mom ya nwini hu ye gafo eti se woni me ya adwen a meso se fansa ye den back ma so yes fansa back ma so ma nya me ya uwie bia prasa na se me so ye den afo me na wasa atra se esu ye yewura Baffoe Bonnie ehun se suku adwen ko ana fie so adwen ko indie 2028 still possible yes still possible Ghana for now we share amomun sa ye den aka
Ubet ma chere wadwe amame e wo comment section hi Penyah Block Media.